Okay, let's talk about the skincare conversation that nobody in the beauty industry actually wants to have out loud. Because I've been a beauty specialist for over a decade, I've sat in on brand presentations, I've tested thousands of products. And what I'm about to share with you today? It's the kind of intel that usually stays behind closed doors. Stay with me, because this one is going to save you real money. So here's what I did. I ran a full, structured split test. 2 weeks, same routine, morning and night, same application technique, same side of my face. On one side, drugstore Korean skincare. On the other, the luxury counterparts that cost anywhere from 3 to 10 times more. And y'all, the results genuinely surprised even me. Let's start with the star of the show, the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Now, if you have not heard of this product, where have you been? This is literally one of the most beloved K-beauty essences on the planet, and you can grab it on Amazon US for around $7. 7. I layered this every single night on one side of my face, and on the other side, I used a $50 essence from a prestige K-beauty brand that shall remain nameless. But trust me, you've seen it all over your Sephora app. After 2 weeks, I had a dermatologist friend look at my skin under a magnification lamp. No filters, no lighting tricks. Her assessment? The hydration levels were virtually identical. The texture improvement was comparable. The barrier support? Comparable. The only real difference? The packaging. One came in a sleek glass bottle. The other came in a humble little tub. Girl, your skin does not care about the vessel. Now, why does this happen? Let me get a little nerdy with you for a second, because I think understanding the why is what actually empowers you as a consumer. Korean skincare, whether it's drugstore or luxury, tends to be formulated around a philosophy of ingredient integrity. The actives are the actives. Snail secretion filtrate at 96% concentration is going to behave the same way, whether it's packaged in minimalist plastic or hand-blown glass. Brands in the prestige space are charging you for the brand story, the retail experience, the influencer partnerships, and yes, the beautiful unboxing moment. And look, I get it. That stuff has value, but it should not be the reason your skincare budget is suffering. Now let me bring in another product I tested, the Anua Heartleaf 77% Soothing Toner. This is an absolute gem. It's formulated with 77% Heartleaf extract, which is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory ingredient. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, it layers beautifully under serums, and it preps your skin to absorb everything that comes after it. You can find this at Ulta on Amazon, and honestly, it's been popping up at some Target locations too. It retails for around $15 to $18. I compared it side by side with a comparable calming toner from a luxury brand at $45. Same skin response, same calming effect on my redness-prone areas, literally the same. So what does a smart, elevated K-beauty drugstore routine actually look like? Here's how I'd build it. Start with a gentle low pH cleanser, the COSRX Low pH. Good Morning Gel Cleanser is a classic, and it's under $15 at Ulta or CVS. Follow with the Anua Heartleaf Toner to balance and prep. Then press in your COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. If you want to add a targeted treatment, the Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30 Days. Miracle Toner is phenomenal for texture and is widely available on Amazon US. Lock everything in with a good moisturizer. The CeraVe Moisturizing Cream or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost are both drugstore heroes that hold their own against anything at Sephora. And SPF, always SPF. The beauty of Joseon Relief Sun is having a major moment right now, and it's under $20. The bottom line here is this. Being a savvy skincare consumer doesn't mean you're cutting corners. It means you've done your homework. The best beauty editors I know, the ones at the top of this industry, they mix their price points unapologetically. They know that ingredient quality is not always correlated with price tag. So here's your homework. Audit your current routine. Look at your ingredient lists. Ask yourself, am I paying for the formula or am I paying for the fantasy? Both are valid choices, but you deserve to make that choice consciously. If this kind of deep dive specialist content is your thing, hit that subscribe button. I do this every single week. Drop your current Drugstore K-beauty favorites in the comments below because I genuinely read every single one, and I want to know what's working for you. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's been eyeing that $50 essence. You might just save them a little money and a lot of confusion. I'll see you in the next one.